What are ways that you use your everyday customers to market for you and be your advocates and spread word of mouth? How are you using your customers to help you?
So we
Hmm.
hand out thank you cards. If somebody's giving us a lot of compliments, we give a thank you card and I say something. I kind of wrote down what I would put in the card. Thank you for you. Thank you for your business and loyalty. We appreciate you and look forward to seeing you on your next wash day. And in there, I'll put my Yelp and Google. And I would, I ask them, we would love a raving review. And it's a hit and miss thing, but it works. You get it because your reviews are everything. You can do whatever marketing you want, whatever technology you want to use. At the end of the day, it's your reviews. You need to have good reviews. That's what brings the business in the door. Everyone's using it, whether you're
Hmm.
going to a restaurant or using any other form of business. So you want to get those customers to give you a review without pushing them for it or bribing them for it, with a free wash or whatever. I tend not to do that. I just ask them politely and I make it easy by putting it on a thank you card and handing it to them.
I love it. Any other ideas or
All
ways?
of, yeah, along those lines as well. Not any, all of our wash, dry, fold orders have a thank you card with a handwritten message in there from the attendant who did it, but we do have them pre-printed with our logo and a QR code that if they scan it, it goes straight to our Google review. We also have a few signs around the store that are very large that ask everyone to hey, shout out, leave us a review. It makes a big difference. And again, it has that QR code on there. We have been very fortunate. I don't know if it's because of our activity, not just on our Facebook page, but the community Facebook pages. A lot of our customers will tag us and leave us really amazing reviews on those pages, which is really nice. We haven't asked for them, but they're there. We recently, again, like I mentioned since before, we have a built-in referral code as well. So it's 10 or 15, I forget off the top of my head, percent off your first order with the referral code. So that helps as
Hmm.
well.
Awesome.
Okay. Well, for us, we do a lot of commercial work, and so um quarterly we reach out to our commercial customers just to check in and see how the service is going. And whenever I'm reaching out to them, I'm asking them, is there anyone that you can recommend our service to? Is there, any of your peers? And I ask them directly for that referral. Do they mind sharing their information or doing an email connection with us? It it's it's not a lot, but we have had some success in doing that, just outright asking our customers for a referral.
I love it. Anyone else have anything?
We give our wash dry fold customers credit if somebody comes in and they say, hey, Aubrey recommended me here. Even without you
Mhm.
knowing, we go in and we give them credit on their next order. So
Okay.
nothing public. And then your next drop off, you drop off a comforter and you're like, hey, I only owe $5. Why is that? Oh, Sally referred you and she came in. So thank you for being it. And then they're like, oh, so. And yeah, we do it behind the scenes, but we also write thank you notes and we also ask referrals from our commercial clients. And so second, all of that.
I think we're getting some background noise. I think
Okay.
Steve on a mic. Did you have a question?